Features when you customize your website is a sidebar in the widgets area. And what do I mean by that? Let's look at the website. You see that the content on a regular page is full width, and that means goes completely across the screen. Now, if I go back to blog, this is what it's called a blog page, and using a sidebar on a regular page. You can have it full width or with a sidebar on the right or a sidebar on the left. So whichever you choose that on your page. But how do you create a sidebar in the widgets? So that's what we're going to look at today. If you come back to the dashboard, this is your WordPress dashboard, and under go down, scroll down under Appearance, you will see Widgets. Click on Widgets, and you will come to this page. You can add a widget, and you can assign widgets, sidebars on your pages. So if you want a new sidebar, you would just click, I'm going to do who we work with. And this I would put on my who we work with page. So add widget area. Now what it's going to do is add this to your list. So whatever you put in on who we work with, and I'll show you how to assign that here in a second, but whoever you put in this box, whatever you put in this box will show up on the who we work with page as long as it has a sidebar. So how do we do that? We open it with a little arrow, and what do I want to put in there? I would like to put in here's all your choices on the left here. There's a lot of choices, so just read through those and see what you would like to do. I'm just going to add text, just straight text, and you can actually put HTML in this if you want. But who we work with, our clients. Let's type our clients in here, and the let's see, Walmart, Sears, contact us. Put whatever you want in here. If you want to break, this is HTML, so just having you'd have to put this code in here. So that would break the sentence. That means break the sentence, make it on a separate line. And so then you just click save. And let's go back to do the blog. Here's sidebar blog, as we saw a minute ago. I would click down here. And you'll see, if I go back to the blog, sidebar example, place content images and shortcuts using a sidebar widget. And that's exactly what I have here. Sidebar example, place content images and shortcuts using. So that's how the page knew, oh, it's a blog page. I'm going to use this as a sidebar. Same with who we work with. So how does it know to do that? Well, let's go into the who we work with pages on the left here. Pages, all pages. And we're going to look at the who we work with page. Because right now, if you look at it, it has this who we work with. Right now, it is a full page. See that? So I'm going to go back to my page here, who we work with, edit. And here's where sidebars are controlled. Scroll down on the right, layout, sidebar setting. Right now I said no sidebar, but now I want it on a right sidebar, okay? Sidebar setting, which sidebar do we want? Who we work with, we just created that. So we want to set those settings, go back and hit update. Now, what does this do to the page? Before, remember, we were on a full width page because we said no sidebar. Now let's refresh the screen to see what it looks like with a sidebar. Remember, we created our clients, Walmart, Sears, contact us, break, as I was talking about, paragraph break. Now it has a sidebar, and that's how you assign sidebars and change sidebars on pages.